Hey guys, what's up? How are you doing? Welcome back to Apollo Tech. So guys, today we are back with Oraimo Freepods 3. This is not the latest, but it has been upgraded. It has been changed. You can see the boxing is different from the one that I made last year. So I want us to go ahead and we do unboxing for this. We check whether something has changed. But before that, if you have an iPhone, I can recommend you to buy these things, camera film to protect your lenses. Then if you are interested in buying AirPods or FreePods that are not of this quality, I can recommend you to go for this brand. It's also not bad, as you can see. It's a good brand. It's made like a AirPods Pro for iPhone. So let's go ahead and we continue with unboxing for these AirPods, or what we call FreePods 3. So we have, this is extra rubbers. These are extra rubbers. If you find this one doesn't fit in your ear, what you can do is to change. You go for, as you can see, these ones, if you find this one is big, you can change and put this one. But you can also use it without this rubber. You can remove this rubber. Actually, for me, I prefer it without the rubber. But as well, if you like it, if you like noise cancellation, you have to put the rubber to reduce on the noise, and the background noise, guys. Yeah, so these are the FreePods 3. As you can see, they are good. They are not that big. As you can see, they are small, guys. When you remove the rubber, they look different, as you can see. Then the case was changed to type C. As you can see, it's type C. Once you put them, once they are charging, they show you this LED. Yeah, for today we are not going to test the quiet sound because the sound was not changed to remain the same. It comes with this type C charger, USB only. It has a user guide menu. You can go ahead, if it's your first time to buy this, you can check through. Yeah guys, so this is it. Thanks for checking in. Catch you in the next one.